Hello everyone, welcome back to Cars with JJ. Today we'll be reviewing this BMW 3 Series. It is a 320i, it's a 3 Series petrol. So this right here is the F30 models of all the 3 Series. This is the key to the vehicle. So this right here is a petrol variant which is quite rare. So most of these came with the diesel one, and the another special thing about this car that it is a manual transmission. I swear it is a manual transmission. I'll open the door for you. So that right here is the 6-speed manual gearbox. That right here is the BMW F30. Let's go to the inside. The BMW 3 Series has a very nice interior. So this is the F30 model with a 6-speed manual transmission. So to start this car, you'll have to press the clutch, then press the push button start. Yep, that is started for you. And it also has parking sensor. So right now it is in reverse, and putting this car in reverse is a very big task and it is very confusing for me. So I'll show you how to do it. So right now we're in neutral, sorry. So to put in reverse, you'll have to take the gearbox all the way to the left, then put it there, then it will go into reverse. So the owner of this car has made some additional modifications at the interior, starting with the dash cam. So this here right here is a very futuristic dash cam, and it is a touchscreen one as well, but it is currently off. Apart from that, this car has cruise control, which are the controls are right here. This is the indicator switch. This is the automatic headlamps. This is an additional modification. These right here are the controls for the voice assist, the volume up and down modes and everything. So this right here is a very nice display, but it is a very small one. So this car is a 1.6 liter petrol engine, and this right here is the sport mode, the eco mode and everything. The screen right here, it is not a touch screen, so you'll have to control it through this. So when I put back in neutral and if I change the menu, yes, it has many options. So this is the old screen. This does not contain Apple CarPlay or Bluetooth. Like it has Bluetooth but not Apple CarPlay. And there are many screens. So this screen is very good for 2013, and it can show the mile per gallon and everything. So that's basically it, and the steering can be adjusted towards you and everything. And I have covered most of the features. Let's open the car. This is the engine right here. So this is a 1.6. It has hydraulic studs and an insulation right there, as you can see. So this is a 1.6 powered twin turbos and has 6 cylinders. So it produces around 168 horsepower and does a 0 to 60 in 8 seconds. This is the rear of the car. It is quite spacious, but it is missing out on an armrest, and this is the rear AC vents, and the rear is quite comfortable and you can have a good view from here. So the tailgate of the car is very interesting as well. Just pressing on a button, it will open itself. It has hydraulic studs and it is a very big boot, and it does not come with a spare tire, unfortunately. Key also has this feature which I can press the lock button and the windows will go down. That's exactly what I said. And this is a 16-inch alloy, and it is 205/60 R16s. And these are the stock alloys as well. And he'll be replacing the new alloys, but that's how it is. And here are the headlight controls. Here are some window and mirror controls. You can close and open the mirrors from here. The speakers are very nice in this car. This right here is the dashboard. It also has an armrest, and under the armrest are a few personal things. So that's mostly it. So starting with the screen is also has some other features, starting with the vehicle information. Like there are many options. There's a whole handbook, and there are some sport displays as well, showing the power, the horsepower and the newton meters of torque produced at the current time. And this also has cruise control. The most important And the most amazing part is this 6-speed manual transmission, which is very rare in the F30 ones. And here are some audio controls, and here are some connected drive. The other car also has connected drive, BMW connected drive as well. So you can call BMW anytime you want, whenever your car breaks down. And apart from that, it also has some other modes. So it is not a touchscreen, you'll have to control it from this. And that's basically it. Let's go and drive the car. Yes, so driving the manual 3 series, it is very powerful, and it can go like insane just on a press of a feet. And when the traction control is off, it's even better. So this is the most difficult part, putting it in reverse. So take it all the way to the left and just put it there. So that's how the car drives. And yep, so the dash cam is currently off, and it can be turned on according to you. As soon as I drove the vehicle, I could instantly realize that the 6-speed manual transmission on the BMW is much better than on my Lexus. It works really well, and BMW knows how to make a gearbox is smooth and nice, but putting it in reverse is a bit confusing. But apart from that, it works really nice. And like, and when you press, like when you put it on sports mode, it would activate the BMW X drive, which turns the car into a 4-wheel drive kind of format. And it is very nice to drive. The special thing about this car is that it has twin turbos as well, and it is a inline six-cylinder car, and it can go well on the push of a feet. But I won't call this car very reliable, but it has check engine lights now and then. However, this Beamer is really good to drive. And so the best part about it is the handling. The handling is super nice, and it is much better. And like, also this car is 4-wheel drive, so I have drifted this around a few times as well. I can show you some clips of it. So you will have to turn off the traction control and put this on normal mode to drift this car in a rear wheel drive format. On like on the sports mode, it would have a more of a 4-wheel drive called the BMW X drive. And if I compare this car to my Lexus has more features than this, but the handling on this is much better. And like all over, this car also has hill hold assist, which my Lexus missed out on. And it also has ESP and ABS, which my Lexus does as well. But the handling is much better. But my like the 0 to 60 on this car is a bit slower than my Lexus IS. And it makes my Lexus also makes more horsepower than this BMW right here. This car also misses out on keyless entry, and being a car from 2013, it should not be missing out on such features. BMW lacks a few amount of features compared to its rivals like Audi and Mercedes, but I would always be with Beamer's side instead of the AMGs, because they are much better to drive, and the BMW is quite driver focused. As you can see, everything is on the front and at the driver's side. If you hop in the rear, there isn't much to talk about apart from the rear AC vents. So this infotainment screen is also not bad for 2013, but it misses out on crucial features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And I don't think this car has Bluetooth. The owner uses a Bluetooth adapter. So for 2013, this is very bad and negative, because even my Lexus from 2007 had all of these. But anyway, it is a very nice car to drive. I was pleased to drive it, and I could see myself driving one of these in the future, but might not be this exact one. So the petrol and the BMW engine really matches really well, and when traction control is turned off, it completely turns into a different car. And when the sports mode is put, you really do feel the difference from the comfort mode. And this the steering wheel knob is also good, and like it can help in driving and drifting as well. But unfortunately, that's it. That's the 3 Series review. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. So I'll be driving one super BMW in soon. Until then, bye.